Hello beautiful people, today we are at a gated community in Tema Community 25, the Greens Estate. With me here is Mushofa, the property sales executive. Hello Mushofa.
Hello Joshua, so I'll be taking you on a tour of our beautiful estate.
So guys, this is the amazing 3-bedroom house I've been talking about, and we are about to tour this house. Come on, let's check it out.
Hi, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
So this is our 3-bedroom detached house we've been talking about.
Oh, okay. I presume this is the ante space where the guests can wait before entering the main.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Then we have the living area over here. Couch.
Wow.
And
Antiques.
some shelves for you to store your books and all of that.
Where you can place your TV. This place is very spacious. I like the living area. Yeah.
And of course, your dining area.
Oh.
The family can sit here and have a good time for breakfast or dinner. We've made provisions for enough huge windows to allow for natural light.
So is it like a terrace or just a big window?
It's a big window actually.
Oh, okay. I thought
You've
a terrace.
got a door as well. So it's both like side and side. There's another one to that.
Oh, okay, impressive. I like the art, how it complements the color of the house. Okay, so from here, where do we go?
We go to the guest washroom.
Oh, okay.
It's our guest washroom. I mean, once you have visitors coming into your house, you can always.
So this is the guest washroom. Washroom made for your guests to use.
There's a vent. It's an extractor. It takes the bad smell from the washroom.
So is it because this place comes with no windows?
Yes. So that's why we made provisions for.
Oh, okay. So this is the heat extractor.
Yes. Your kitchen actually comes semi-fitted. So we have the cabinets, there's the cooker, the heat extractor, and then your sink as well.
I like everything about this kitchen, from the lighting system to the tiles. As you can see, the countertop is made of marble tiles, enough cabinetries. This kitchen is well ventilated, enough windows for you, and it's quite spacious.
You are easy to climb.
Yes.
Staircase. Yeah.
I like everything about this house. As you can see, it comes with this glass balustrade, this art. You can put your family pictures over this place. You can replace all these artworks and put your family pictures there.
Yeah, that's true.
So finally we are here. So we have 2 bedrooms here, right? Where do we start?
Okay, so let's start with this.
This one. Okay.
Great.
Ladies first.
So this is the bedroom.
You
have your bed space.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah. As you can see,
every room comes with the wardrobes.
Wardrobe.
So you have your wardrobes as well.
Does it come with the house or it's just staged?
Yes, the wardrobes come with the house.
For the wardrobe?
Yes, the wardrobe.
How about the bed?
The bed isn't part. It's just the wardrobe.
The AC.
So the house comes with the fitted wardrobes.
Okay.
The fitted cabinets in the kitchen.
Okay.
And then ensuite washrooms as well.
Okay.
With the ACs, we don't provide you with ACs, but then we provide you with the outlets. So
okay.
when you come in, you just
fit it.
AC.
So the AC is part of the staged materials?
Yes.
Oh, okay,
yes.
sure. Okay.
This is actually a furnished house we are viewing. So that's why you have the AC there. But ideally, the house doesn't come with the AC. We just provide you with the outlet, and then you come in with the brand of AC you want.
You want? Oh, okay.
We also make provisions for windows, like spacious and like large windows, so you can have natural light coming into your room, and then fresh air as well.
Oh, okay. So I guess this room is made for the kids, or if you have a kid in the house.
Yeah, it's for the kids. It's for the kids. I mean,
you can look from the bed. Yeah.
It's spacious. We have the windows to allow for natural light and fresh air into your room, and beautiful lighting system at the top.
One thing I like about this house is the lighting system and the space. The materials used, the tiles, everything about this house. Big up to the developer. Shall we proceed to?
Yeah.
I nearly forgot. Oh,
That's the washroom.
the washroom. Oh, okay. The washroom is also.
There's the heater, the water heater.
Okay.
Then you have your windows as well, your toilet, and then your sink space also.
It's very neat. Yeah.
This is our second bedroom.
Okay.
Another room for the kids.
For the kids.
I must say. Usually I'm like the two, I make
The stubborn
best of
kids.
the house.
Oh, amazing.
Stubborn. Whichever way, yeah. This is their room. And of course, they have their wardrobes as well. So, keep their
Very, very big and spacious wardrobe.
And of course,
This house comes with this lamp.
no, it's part of the family.
The stage. Oh, okay. Okay.
So this can be opened to allow for fresh air into your room.
So this is the washroom for the second bedroom, and it comes with this sink vanity and this wardrobe or cabinet where you can keep your stuff. It has this wooden shelf or storage where you can keep your towels and other stuff. You have your wall mirror, nicely fitted, your WC here, your towel rack. You also have your water heater. Yeah, I almost forgot. Your water heater, your shower tool, everything that you are going to need in your washroom. You have it here.
Then finally, we move into the master bedroom.
Woo!
Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the master bedroom. Most people call it the primary suite. Am I right? Okay, so we're going to talk about the master bedroom. The first place, it's very spacious and big. I think this bedroom can contain about 2 or 3 couples. It has
Just
this
a couple is okay. Just a couple is enough.
nice wardrobes as usual. Very spacious.
Spacious. So you can keep all of your clothes. I know women, we have so much clothes.
Yeah,
And
landlady of the
we have
house.
so much space. So that's why all of these provisions have been made.
Oh, okay. So this door leads to the back terrace,
Yes,
right?
balcony. The
Oh,
balcony,
okay.
Where you can sit and enjoy some fresh air.
And the view of this
View.
amazing estate. It feels good to be here. Nice environment.
Yeah. Have a warm cup of coffee.
This place is so quiet and very peaceful. I think I need to purchase one of these estates.
You need to.
Only if you are going to help me.
Yes.
You are going to see me here very soon. I think I need to purchase one of these properties. So what's the way forward?
Sure, you need to. We have flexible and amazing payment options for you.
For everybody,
Yeah, for everybody.
including NSS personnel.
Yes, sure. You can choose to self-finance for your home, or you can choose to buy it through a mortgage.
Oh, okay.
Whichever way, you need to put down a substantial amount,
Okay.
which serves as your equity. So let's say 20% of the total price of the house, and then you spread the remaining balance over a period of 1 year.
1 year.
Or more.
1 year more.
Up to 3 years.
Up to 3 years. So the maximum is 3 years.
Yes, the maximum is 3 years.
This place serves as a study or dressing place.
Yeah, so it serves both functions. You can sit here, put down some notes and all of that, and you can get to dress here also.
Yeah, because of this
yourself in
mirror.
the mirror.
Yeah.
Before you step out of your bedroom.
Let me look at myself on the mirror. Okay.
Okay, you can see yourself.
I'm looking handsome.
You look good.
Thank you.
Then the bathroom also comes with a shower. There's a glass cover here that separates your bathroom from the toilet sitting area. There's a cabinet.
Oh, okay.
Storage of your shampoos, your
soap,
soap, your shave creams,
and other toiletries.
toothbrushes. All of those petty things you usually have in your bathroom.
But you could also keep all the same stuff here.
Yeah, you can also keep some, little bit of
Okay, and this cabinetry serves as a mirror too.
two functions.
Two functions. Wow.
Yeah, so this is all what we have at the top.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So what if I want to purchase this property? Because I'm already in love with this property.
Okay, so if you are looking to purchase, we have very flexible and amazing payment options for you.
For everybody?
Yeah, for everybody.
Including NSS personnel?
Yeah, everybody. Literally everybody. That's why we always say our homes are very affordable. Yes. So we have the self-financing option, and then we have the mortgage option as well.
Okay.
In you choosing to do any of them, you need to put down a down payment, okay? And it can be up to 20% of the total price of the house. So if you decide to self-finance, you put down 20%.
So the selling of finance, can you brief the viewers about it when you say selling of finance? What do you mean?
Self-finance.
Self-finance rather.
Yes, that's
okay.
What I mean.
You financing it yourself?
Yes, you financing it yourself.
Okay.
You don't want to go in for a bank mortgage,
okay.
but then you want to pay for the property yourself with your own money as you work. So you pay as you go. So with that, you put down about 20% or more of the total property price, and then we spread the remaining balance over a period, and that could be up to about 3 years.
Can't it go more? Or the maximum is 3 years?
The maximum we give is 3 years.
I think 3 years is enough.
Yes.
Enough for me.
So you can choose, the length of time you want to do your payment for. You can also choose to do the mortgage, but then again, you still need to put down the down payment, which serves as your equity. And then the bank finances the remaining balance for you, and they can even give you more years. You can get up to 20 years, depending on your age.
Oh,
so that's a very good offer.
I think that's the best offer.
A lot of our clients. If you don't want to self-finance and then put so much stresses on your finances, you just go by the mortgage, which gives you more flexibility and more time to do your payment.
Oh, okay. Then
So which of them would you like to go in for?
Let's say the bank mortgage. I'll go in for that one.
Okay.
So I just have to make 20% down payment.
Yes.
Then contact the bank.
And then we are already in communication with the banks, okay?
Is it all the banks or specific banks?
So at the Greens, we work with Stanbic Bank, we work with Republic Bank, we work with First National Bank as well.
Oh, okay.
And then they come in to help our clients or our homeowners facilitate their mortgages. So it depends on which bank you want to work with. You can choose to work with any of them. You can even also choose to bring in your own bank.
Okay,
That's
so
you don't want to go
before we proceed, can we have dinner while talking?
It's lunchtime, Joshua.
Yes, let's continue with the conversation.
Yes.
So about the property, is there any number or I'll leave the number in the description below if you want to purchase any of the property or any viewing, any enquiries. I'll leave the number in the description below. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the 3-bedroom apartment I was talking about. Yeah, we have different units in this estate. Next week, God willing, I'll be taking you through the 4-bedroom apartment. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video for more content. Till next week, stay safe.